In this video, I will show you how you can change the app icon size on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or the S26 Ultra. Now to do that, just go to Settings. Now under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Home Screen. Under the Home Screen settings, you will find the option for App Size on Home Screen and App Screen. Now to decrease the size of the app icons, just slide the slider to the left side. Now if you go to your home screen or if you open the app drawer, you will notice that the app icons are smaller. Now if you want to increase the app icon size, just drag the slider to the right side. Now as you can see, we have successfully increased the app icon size on our Samsung phone. Now if you want to customize the app icon size even more, then for that, just go to your home screen and open the app drawer. And over here, you will find an app which is called Good Lock. Now if you cannot find the Good Lock app on your Samsung phone, you can install it directly from the Google Play Store or from the Galaxy Store. But after you open the app, then just scroll down and look for the Home App extension. Now just tap on it, then tap on the download icon. After you install the Home App extension on your Samsung phone, then just tap on the play button over here, then tap on Next. Tap on Try It, then enable this toggle. After that, just tap on Home Screen and make sure that the toggle for Home Screen is enabled. Now just tap on App Icon Settings and enable this toggle. Now after you do that, you will find this slider with which you can increase or decrease the app icon size on your Samsung phone. As you can see, it is currently on 100%. But if you drag this slider to the left side, you will decrease the app icon size on your Samsung phone. And similarly, if you drag the slider all the way to the right side, you will increase the app icon size on your Samsung phone, just like that. And as you can see in the preview, if I drag the slider all the way to the right side, I will increase the app icon size. And if I drag it to the left side, I will decrease the app icon size. Just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.